To ensure that our products satisfy customers, Fuji Electric emphasizes its production engineering capabilities to develop mass production processes and applicable equipment, on-site capabilities to manage work sites and improve productivity, and human resources to sustain our competitiveness and manufacturing. Fuji Electric is promoting the smartification of all its factories by pursuing digital reforms that connect things with information using IoT. By connecting all kinds of on-site information, including equipment sensor information, operation and production statuses, process images, and quality information, we are visualizing and clarifying our factories in real time to achieve higher quality manufacturing. Moreover, by monitoring the production status of overseas bases from our mother factory in Japan, we are using optimized control technologies to achieve non-stop manufacturing worldwide. As a first step to smartification, the Yamanashi factory, our mother factory for semiconductors, has achieved energy supply stabilization to save energy and ensure non-stop manufacturing. The Yamanashi factory achieved energy savings by using waste heat from boilers to reduce fuel consumption and by optimizing the use of air conditioners in clean rooms. Furthermore, it uses solar power generation and a cogeneration system to increase its energy self-sufficiency and avoid supply risks due to instantaneous power interruptions or power outages.